Inspired by the Sims crafts, I decided to make my own web shooter.
In the web cartridge, and the magnet on the string will automatically snap to the back of the bullet.
So at first I have taken this stick and now I will wrap the paper and make it thick. Remove the excess parts. Super glue will make it hard as plastic. Here I have taken a gear wheel and a cap of paint to make the barrel. After removing the excess parts, we are ready with the barrel. Let's cut the hole to put the trigger. I will stick the magnet on the bullet so that it gets stick on the surface. I have taken this small neodymium magnet from the earphone speakers. I will wrap the paper so that it gets thick to hold the spring. The bullet will go into the barrel this way. To lock the bullet, I have to make a cut on the bullet. This dot will show the locking side. Now to make the locking mechanism, I have taken this small piece of copper and make two small cuts at the corners. And then drill a hole at the top center. It will go this way and lock the bullet. This rubber band will hold the locker to its place. Well, here our mechanism works nicely. This thread will be used to pull the trigger. I have taken this frame from the toy car. I will cut the excess parts to put the barrel, and it's almost ready to use. I got this belt from the skating shoe. The shooter will be fixed on this belt this way. Before that, making hole to put the screw. Sticking thread to the magnet. Wind the threads so that it keeps it in the place. Pen caps are so useful, so don't throw them away. Well, after all, our web shooter is ready. For some reason, the thread is getting stuck on barrel. So I decided to make some changes. After some tries, it works as expected. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.